How to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Account Center at the top. After you're in Account Center, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and click on Your Information and Permissions. Then click on Export Your Information. After you click on Export Your Information, it will take some time to load. After it loads, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Create Export. After you click on Create Export, click on Export to Device. After you click on Export to Device, here, click on Customize Information and Clear All. Scroll down, Clear All, Clear All, Clear All, Clear All. Clear everything. Then, scroll upwards, you'll find Connections. Only click on Followers and Following and press on Save. Date range. Select all time and press on Save. Press on Start Export. After it exports, you will find the link on your mail. You can download the file and go to Chrome, search Compare to List. Go to Compare to List. Here, add your following in List A. Add your followers in List B. And compare. And from here, you will find who unfollowed you on Instagram. This is how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.